PI Dental Center is celebrating National Prosthodontics Awareness Week. In this video, we will describe what a prosthodontist is and discuss the importance of a smile. Your smile affects your self-esteem and your confidence. The face is the primary focal point of attraction, and the smile has a lot to do with that. The smile is one of the first things that people see when they meet you. That is why it is so important for prosthodontists to focus on the beauty and symmetry of the smile, the art of the smile, to give a result for patients that will be a truly aesthetic outcome.
An attractive smile is there's objective measurements, but also subjective measurements based upon the preferences of the patient. But ultimately, when as a prosthodontist, we're trying to create a new smile for someone, we're looking at the whole face as a whole to see what the proportions are. And ultimately, there's certain tooth proportions that correspond to different facial profiles. So females tend to have more round teeth, more feminine teeth, and then males tend to have more square teeth. But ultimately, a beautiful smile is all about also what the patient wants, because the patient may require certain characteristics, certain imperfections that they may consider beautiful. So ultimately, it's a conversation initially with the patient about what their goals are to have their beautiful smile, not a beautiful smile, and go from there.
Many of our patients come in with extremely broken down, discolored teeth, serious gum disease, and they are looking for options to improve on this. That's the role of a prosthodontist, to help our patients comprehensively achieve their goals, where they are confident about their smile, but they can also function and enjoy a wide variety of foods. What is a prosthodontist?
So a prosthodontist is a dental specialist that specializes in the restoration and replacement of teeth and contiguous oral structures. So prosthodontists usually see complex dental problems, but they also see simple dental problems as well. Restoration of function and aesthetics are both very important, and it's not essential to just focus on one thing, but you really need to look at the entire situation. Try to help patients to replace teeth, restore teeth, and to restore their self-confidence. That's really what a prosthodontist is all about.
Typically, a visit to a prosthodontist means that the patient is looking for a transition to a better aesthetic result.
So the majority of our patients come in the office with a variety of reasons, and some of them include aesthetic concerns, the way the teeth look, pain or discomfort, or they just are curious about the overall procedures that we offer at a practice.
A prosthodontist wants to see you smile. Call PI Dental Center for a new patient evaluation. PI Dental Center makes dramatic transformations. Our mission is to help you achieve a beautiful new smile.